Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, first of all, I'd like to apologise for the shaky camera. I am holding it while I do this video, but this is going to be what is in my suitcase. I also have two separate bags there. So, yeah, this is basically everything that I'm taking on holiday. I don't think I need anything else to go in these suitcases and bags. I'm not too sure, but anyway, I'm going to start off with this bag. There's nothing in this pocket here. This is going to be used on the market. In here, I just have some tissues, my purse, of which I will not be opening because it has all of my money in there. I have some white sunglasses. And then I am also taking my pink sunglasses as well. I have more tissues, chewing gum for in the car, hand wipes when we're out for a meal. This hairbrush, which I'm actually going to take out of here because I don't like it. It is just really too horrible. I just don't like it. Anyway, I've got a body roll on, my headband, which you'll probably see me wearing that in some more videos, but I will be taking it. That hand cream, just to moisturise my hands up. Lip balm. Hot weather, you need something good for, you know, your lips. This is my rescue spray. This is basically for my anxiety. Not everybody needs it. I don't even use that really. So, yeah, that is everything that is in there, I think. Yep. Then moving on to the next bag, which this is going to be my swimming bag. And again, I might take this on the market. But anyway, I have my body spray for when I go swimming. My white flip-flops. I did actually show you these yesterday, all in a haul. And then my shoes, which I'm going to be wearing these at night time when we go partying. And my Bella eyelashes, which are absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to use them. Now moving on to the big girl here. I'm going to try and do this video as fast as I can, guys, because I have that much stuff that I'm taking that I really just don't want this video to be super duper long. As you can hear, it is very heavy. So in here, I'm not going to be taking these out, but they are my brand new knickers. We are sure going to be needing some more of them. I need to buy some more knickers yet, so yep. So anyway, I have some more new sandals, which have got a owl on. This here is just all of my medication for my diabetes, my depression, my anxiety tablets. Just all sorts like that. I have talcum powder for when I go swimming. Then I've decided I'm going to take my coconut shampoo and conditioner. And there is a reason for this, because when I was packing my suitcase, I realised that I have packed a coconut body wash. So I wanted the shampoo and conditioner to go with that. And of course, I am taking my women's things. You never know, just in case. I have some cocodamol for my sciatica. A fold-up brush for swimming. Has a mirror in there which can come in handy if I need to top up anything. Then I have this makeup brush. Mermaid hair, don't care. This is going to stay in the chalet where we're staying. A bottle of perfume in Charlie Red. This is my all-time favourite perfume since high school. I have 50 Factor Sun Lotion. This is going to be mainly for my niece. Yeah, I don't want to get in too burnt, because we all know it can get painful. Razor. I've got, let's see, more sandals here, cherry ones. My sliders. I cannot live without my sliders. I'm going to be wearing these when I go swimming, or at least on the way. I've got more than half used baby wipes just to take off my makeup at night before I have my wash. And it is my mum's birthday, my birthday and my niece's birthday when we go on holiday. So yeah, we've got a couple of badges here for my mum. So she'll be wearing those. This is just a shopping list that I need off the market. My makeup bag. Yep, we might as well go all the way through my makeup bag. I'm just going to kneel down here. So in my makeup bag, I have these two Butlins bracelets, which I might just give them to my niece. I have a Miss Beauty style powder foundation. Couldn't even think then. A Jeffree Star green lipstick in like a khaki green type thing. I have a bronze eyeshadow palette, which I wasn't going to take that at first, but now I think I am. I have a mascara, a lighter. I know you're probably thinking, why are you taking a lighter when you don't smoke? I honestly think I'm maybe having a cheeky cigarette when I'm on the market. Anyway, shh, you didn't hear that from me. So, we have this white, that one there. And just bear with me, guys, I'm doing it with one hand here. So that is basically an eyeshadow stick. So I'll put that on first and then put the other stuff on top. Toothpaste, got that from my dentist. Another Jeffree Star in like a Mauve brown. Liquid foundation. My Shell mirror, I'll just show you inside this. I love this mirror. So it's like a two-way mirror there. Okay, I've got all sorts in here, legit. If I just show you in there, then I don't have to pull everything out. But I have a brand new blender. I've got single eyeshadow. What's this one here? That is my contour stuff. I have a Rimmel lipstick in pink. A blusher. Some eye primer. A lip liner in brown. A khaki green eyeshadow. I've just showed you that salmon eyeshadow. Here I have some nose studs. Then I've got things like, oh sugar, things like my earrings, a ring, eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. This bag just goes on and on. This is an anklet bracelet. Why is it not focusing? This is, focus, come on. This is an anklet bracelet. I think I'm taking a few of my anklet bracelets. Yeah, this is a Love Heart anklet bracelet. I'm sorry if this isn't focusing proper. Tweezers, you never know when you've got to do your eyebrows. A load of different bobbles. Hair, oh, sugar. Grips like that. I'm taking two of them. I've just dropped one. Then I'm taking these. These are for the shower locker. So we'll have to share a locker. Then I'm taking these earrings. An elephant anklet bracelet, and this one. And at last, that is it. If you just hold on a minute, I've just got to grab that before the dog gets it. Okay, so that is everything on that side. Sorry if that makeup bag took way too long. It is what it is. Now I have to try and... Okay, guys, I'm just going to put you down for 1 second. So sorry about that, guys. I could not get my... case open. Okay, so this is all of the clothes now. I myself feel like I'm not taking enough clothes, but at the end of the day, we're only going for 4 days, so it should be okay. But anyway, this is another rucksack I have, which I am now leaving here, I think, but it is the roses. And it has that. But I think that one's going to stay now, so I'm just going to put that on there. Okay, so I've got this to go over the top of my swimming costume. Hold on. This is so hard when you are doing it with one hand. Okay, so there's this. And this is going to be going over my swimming costume. That's what it's actually for the beach. But I won't be wearing it for the beach. I'm going to be wearing it when I go swimming. So there's that. I have my... Oh, God. Hold on. So sorry about this, guys. This is so unorganised. Hello Kitty beach towel, but that, again, will not be used on the beach. It'll be for swimming. I have a brown top. I'm not going to keep undoing all this because it's just going to drive me mad. So this outfit that I'm showing you now is one outfit. It's a brown top with a khaki green skirt. Then I have my brand new, all these clothes are brand new, by the way. I have my new swimming costume, which is like that. It's a swimming dress. This is a long khaki green cardigan, full length. I have some black jeggings, some blue jeggings. This is one of my favourite tops that I'm taking. But yeah, it's just like that. So that's one of my new top. Well, this is about the only thing that is not new in this thing. Roxy's trying to get in the suitcase. I think she wants to come with us, but no, she has her own holiday sorted. These next things are high-waisted jeans, which are these, and they have like the buttons that go all the way up there. And then with them jeans, I have this white top to wear. And I have a play suit in a camouflage. And then my pyjamas are basically watermelon pyjamas. So that is that. Let's see if I can show you this top. One sec, guys. And there's the top, and it says, "You're one in a melon." So that is it. That is literally everything that I'm taking on holiday with me. To me, I don't feel like I'm taking enough. I feel like, I don't know, guys, I just feel like there's not enough, you know, there's not enough clothes there. I am still yet to pack my electric toothbrush, but obviously I can't do that yet because I'm going to need to brush my teeth every day. So, yeah, that's going to be packed at last minute. But like I say, I can't think of anything else that I need to pack on this holiday. If you guys can think of anything, please comment it down below. I would be very grateful for any tips. I'm absolutely knackered. Honestly. The struggles. Okay, so, like I say, that is everything that I'm packing. I've now got to repack again. I'm going to take all my bags downstairs, and yeah. So that is it. But like I say, if there's anything that you guys can think of, please comment it down below. I'll be really, really grateful. And that is it. So thank you for watching, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button for more notifications. If you haven't subscribed, then subscribe. I will be very, very grateful. And we will be doing maybe some lookbooks, maybe some summer looks on holiday. Yeah, so that's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.